Video, I'm going to go over this BougeRV 40 amp solar controller. So this one actually has an app built into it. Let me just show you all the features. So it came in this box right here, and here's a little bit of the manual right here, but I don't need the manual, need to go over it much. I'm just going to show you some of the basic specs on it. Max power of the solar panel input, which is 600 watts, 12 volts to 1200 watts, 24 volts. So I have mine currently set up on a 12 system, but you can go either 12 or 24 on this, and you can set the amperage on here. You can actually see how it's going right now. You can see all the different settings on this thing. I can go through and I can show you it's on boost mode right here, the different types of settings on that. I have mine set on 40 amps. Has a backlight on here. To install it, you have a temperature gauge right here that I installed right here that runs down into here. You can see where my solar input is coming in right here. Here's the two wires coming in from the solar panel, the positive and the negative. This right here runs down to this bus bar, which is run into this and to in all the batteries set up. I have the two batteries right there that is pushing all the power, the fuses, and the master switch right here. It runs down. Very simple to set up. Right now I'm getting 6 amps because it is, you know, almost 7 o'clock at night. The sun is almost down. I've got the solar panels around back. I'm running 3 solar panels, BougeRV solar panels, and they seem to give me around about 300 watts. Actually, I have the app pulled up right here. So the app is just the BougeRV app. You can see MPPT solar controller. Click on that. It finds it. It's loading all the stuff. There's everything that's going on right now. We've got voltage is 26.8. Current is 3.8, 3 current amps of current coming in. Power is 88 watts. Like I said, it is 7 o'clock in the afternoon. Then it shows my battery voltage. What makes this app great is if you had this at somewhere that's not accessible, a lot of times I put bicycles up here. I put them all down for the purpose of this video. So I can't really access this. If I want to see how my solar controller is doing, I just pull the app up and check all my stats on my solar controller. You can see the different types of voltage and all that. Let's go to the history. 913 watts today, and pretty much there's all the different charging. You can see the 814. It was raining almost all day that day. 491, 1000. There's 1200 watts of power coming in. Max charging amperage, I got it up to almost 20 amps, which is a lot of power if you think about it. If you know about these, that's a lot of power. Discharge wattage and all that. I don't get into all this down here. What I basically look at is my charging capacity, my max charging power, and my maximum charging current. Then you can set the parameters. You can see I have it on LiFePO4 batteries, 12 volts, which that's what I have. I have 2, which is about 200, I think that's 200 amp hours of battery power right there. Charging switch, expert mode. Now I haven't went in and loaded all this. I basically just left it the same because I have a shunt right here that gives me all of this data anyway that's accessible right here. And there's the on and off for the inverter. So you can see I'm at almost 70% right now when I've had voltage is 13.1 on the voltage. So I'm charged pretty good, everybody. This thing is 70% charged, and I've ran it all day. I've got lights going. I was charging batteries because I have my entire battery set up over here. I got these lights right here. I got all of my power and my batteries. Everything in this shed right here is ran off of this system right here. And BougeRV makes such a great product that I went ahead and picked up one of these. I had like an older model, kind of, I can't even really pronounce the name, and it worked fine, but it did not have this app. It did have a nice display on the front, but once again, for me to go look at it, I had to kind of dig my head through here and try to see what my power was. And I just trust BougeRV. They make a good product line. I've got some refrigerators from them, had some air conditioners, I've got these solar panels. I highly recommend this company, and the fact that you have this app that you could use pretty much any time as long as you got Bluetooth on. Make sure you connect it and get your Bluetooth and all that. By the way, it does show what battery you're on. You can see right there I am on LiFePO1. There it is. That's all I got on the BougeRV Sunflow 40 amp MPPT solar controller. See y'all in the next video.